Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
Top 5 Best TV Wall Mount Reviews. Number 5. Videosica MW380B3. Supports display up to 125 pounds. Swivel 160 degrees side to side. Post-installation level adjustment allows. Easy installation and adjustment. Fit 16 inches apart with studs. Standard mounting screws included. Number 4. Cheetah APTMM2B. In the flat or fixed position. Easy lift and lock attachment. Unique universal design fits small, large. Includes a twisted vanes 10 feet HDMI cable. Item weight 4.35 pounds. Also can mount to brick or other masonry. Number 3. Mounting Dream MT2380. Right according to your seat's position. Easy installation with decent instruction. Our mounts are tested with 4 times loading listed. Three Velcro ties for cable management. Our mount is 10-year warranted. Mounting template and torpedo level as gifts. Number 2. Echo Gear EGLF1B-K. Plus tilt your TV up to 15 degrees to kill the glare. Universal mounting bracket is compatible. Our crystal clear instructions and extensive hardware kit. Ours can easily hold 132 pounds. Item weight 18 pounds. Made to be compatible with almost every TV. Number 1. Amazon Basics.
Place your TV wherever you wish with the Amazon Basics Articulating TV Wall Mount. It's made of heavy-duty aluminum and powder-coated steel, and can fit a TV 22 inches to 55 inches with a weight limit of 80 pounds. Its articulating design can extend up to 16.3 inches, or can keep the TV as close as 2.6 inches from the wall. It can also tilt up and down, and swivels left and right 180 degrees. It's easy to install and includes a bubble level. You are sure to love the fact that the Amazon Basics Articulating TV Wall Mount can be mounted in a corner, inside a TV center, or above a fireplace.
Enhanced home TV viewing experience. Made of heavy-duty aluminum. 15 degrees of tilt for optimal viewing angle. Steel for reliable strength. Item weight 10.89 pounds. All mounting hardware included.